Hi everyone. In our last video, we discussed about overview of business intelligence system. Now, in this video, I want to discuss about two different kinds of report which we usually work with. The first one out of them is pixel perfect reports, and the next one is analytical reports. So first, let us understand what is the principal difference between them, and then we can I'll show you two reports which I developed so that you can completely understand what I mean. Let us discuss about pixel perfect reports first. A pixel perfect report is a type of report that is designed with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every element on the page is positioned exactly as intended, down to the individual pixel. These reports are often used when the visual representation and layout are critical, such as official documents, financial documents, invoices, or print ready materials like that. Whereas analytical reports are reports that present data and insights to help organizations to understand the performance, identify the trends, make informed decisions, and solve problems. So, unlike informal reports which simply present the data with interpretation, analytical reports go a step further by analyzing the data, providing a context, and offering recommendations based on the findings. Here we can see the high level feature differences between a pixel perfect report and an analytical report. You can see that formatting control required for a pixel perfect report is high, and it requires a precise layout. And when it comes to analytical reports, it requires only moderate and flexible layout. And coming to the content type, pixel perfect report requires usually gets populated with a static content, whereas analytical reports contains dynamic content based on the user selection. It can be different slicers on the report, or we might be interacting with the visuals in the report itself. So the ideal use for perfect reports are print ready documents or formal presentations or invoices or account statements in case of banking industry, or which requires a PDF export. Okay. So in case of analytical reports, they are more suitable for interactive data exploration and ad hoc analysis. In case of pixel perfect reports, we can build them using Power BI Report Builder, SAP Crystal Reports, Pentaho Report Designer, or Jasper Reports using such tools. In case of analytical reports, we can make use of Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Cognos, or ClickView, or SAP Business Objects to develop them. Understand about these two report types with a real world example. Here I am showing one analytical report which is showing the unclaimed deposits in India for fiscal year 2021 and 2021 and 2022. Here, with a single glance, you will be able to understand how many deposit accounts are there, what is the total amount outstanding, and what is the average amount per single account. And you can see that top five banks which are contributing to these deposits, and the amounts based on deposit category as well. And you can see that amount outstanding and accounts by year. In this line chart, you will be able to simply understand the trend of how the deposits are increasing, and in this line chart you can understand the average amount by year. So the entire content is condensed into a single dashboard, and you can interact with all these visuals by simply clicking on any of these. For example, if you want to see the entire dashboard filtered only for one bank, then if I click on this, then the content here will get filtered automatically. So this is the power of analytical report, where you can interact with the report and understand your data in a better way to get the proper insights. Now let me show you the paginated report as well. I'm using the same data set which is populating this dashboard so that you can understand the difference in a better way. So let me open this paginated report as well. So the portal which you are seeing is called Power BI Service. Don't worry about this as of now. We will see this UI in detail in the next couple of videos. So you can see that. So in this case, my end user wants a printable report with the same data set. They just want to know the bank name and the number of accounts and amount outstanding, and they want to print the report. Here you can see that the same data set is represented in a different way, which is suitable for more formal report, and users can print it easily. You can see that it contains a tabular structure, and at each page level you will be able to get the totals, and it will be in a more formal way. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching this video.